All right, so now on to example 2 of rationalizing the denominator of radical expressions that have a weird radical in the denominator. So it's going to work exactly the same way as the previous example. And yeah, it's just going to come down to using the clever trick of multiplying by 1. All right, so how does this work out? We have 4 over 5th root of 5 as opposed to the cube root in the last case. We want to multiply by a clever version of 1 so that we will cancel off the 5th root in the denominator. So we want to power up 5 just enough so that when I combine this and something else, I can cancel off the radical. That something else is going to be 5 to the 4th in this case. Okay, so we take the 5th root of 5 to the 4th. Okay, and this is all going to be equal to 1, so we did not change the original nature of this expression. So, continuing along here, multiplying straight across, we have 4 times the 5th root of 5 to the 4th. Okay, and then in the denominator, I'm going to have, well, I have multiplication of these two radicals that are the same power. So what this allows me to do via the product rule for radical expressions is combine this all under the same radical. So I have the 5th root of 5 times 5 times 5 to the 4th. Okay, that simplifies, just copy pasting the numerator, nothing unusual going on here. This simplifies, this denominator simplifies to 5th root of 5 to the 5th. Lots of 5s going on here. So we have a 5 to the 5th, 5th rooted. The power cancels the radical. So this leaves us with 4 5th root of 5 to the 4th all over just 5. 4 fifths, well, we can't really cancel anything here. We can divide 4 by 2 and 4 by 4, but we can't divide 2 into 5, all right? Or 5 into 2. So here what we're looking at is completely simplified. We have 5th root of 5 to the 4th. We don't have enough 5s here to cancel off this radical, so we're stuck with this radical as is. So at this point, we are done with this example. And to recap, all we did was we powered up the 5 in the denominator here so that when I multiplied, I have 5 to the 5th. So then I could cancel the radical. That was the trick. Okay? So if you found this helpful, please smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next example.